Today we are going to be reviewing the all-in-one cleansing micellar milk and makeup remover from Clinique's All About Clean range. The aim of micellar cleansers is to pull dirt and excess oil off the skin, and in this case to remove your makeup as well. Clinique created one of my all-time favourite makeup removers, the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, so I thought today we would try out their newest release and see what we think. But before we get started, I just want to introduce myself. So hello, my name is Amy and this is my beauty YouTube channel. So if you're a beauty lover just like me, I have a feeling you're going to find my channel quite useful, so make sure that you subscribe and stick around. With all of my review videos, my main purpose is to give you all the information you need to make a decision about whether this product is worth your money. So we're going to be talking through what it's supposed to do, some key ingredients, my first impressions and my thoughts after a few weeks of use as well. And if you enjoy this video or if you find it useful, I would really appreciate a thumbs up to let me know. That being said, I am no expert, I am just a person with skin and opinions just like you. So if you do have any experiences or opinions about this product that I don't cover in this video, please make sure to leave them in the comments so that we can all scroll down and learn together. So with all of that being said, let's crack on with the video. The All About Clean all-in-one cleansing micellar milk and makeup remover is available in two different formulas. Like a lot of Clinique products, they're broken down by skin type. So if you have Clinique skin type 1 and 2, which means very dry to dry combination skin, then you should be going for the purple capped bottle. And this one has quite a luxurious, creamy kind of formula. Or if you have Clinique skin types 3 or 4, so combination oily to very oily skin, then you should be going for the pink topped bottle, which is more of a milky liquid kind of formula. These two products sound very different. A lot of the ingredients do match up, but in terms of user experience they seem like quite different products. I only have this one because this is my skin type. If you would be interested in me trying the other one, let me know. Maybe I'll do a different video comparing the two, but for today I'm going to be talking about my experience with this purple capped bottle. I think the main difference is really going to be the texture of the product, which might affect the application, so just something to bear in mind if you are of a more oily skin type than me. Just reading off the Clinique website for a moment, they say that this product cleanses skin of pollution and impurities and removes face, lip and eye makeup in one comforting yet refreshing step. They say that it's appropriate for sensitive eyes and contact wearers, as well as being non-acnegenic as well. It costs £19.50 for the 200ml bottle, which is about this size. Well, not about this size, this is a 200ml bottle, it's exactly this size. So what goes into this product that causes it to have those properties? Let's have a little look at the ingredients. There is glycerin in here, which strengthens your skin's moisture barrier, minimising the water lost from your skin, which therefore increases hydration and softens your skin. Vitamin E, which has soothing and healing benefits and reduces any inflammation. Algae extract, which plumps the skin, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and also increases your skin's elasticity. And it also has antioxidants in it, which help prevent acne and breakouts. Overall, based on that ingredients list, what I'm expecting from this is a soft, really conditioning cleanse. On the Clinique website it says that 67% of people would recommend this product, and it's got a star rating of 3.5 out of 5, which to be honest is not that great, but I do think it's worth noting that the majority of negative reviews are more about the bottle than they are about the product. The positive reviews really sing the product's praises, but the negative reviews say that the bottle is really difficult to use. So with all of that being said, let's give it a go. Welcome back to my bathroom. As you can see by the state of my makeup, it is the end of the day. I put on quite heavy makeup this morning. I've had quite a long day today, but a fun one. I went to brunch earlier, and then when I got home, I've actually been trying this new thing where I just didn't take my shoes off to see if that made me like do more around the house, and it actually really worked. I know it sounds a bit strange, but top tip. I am now going to remove all of my makeup and my jewellery. Right, lashes off. Ugh. Is there any better feeling? I don't think so. So here is the All About Clean. I'm really excited to try this. This is what I usually use to remove my makeup, the Clinique Take the Day Off. I'll pop the link to this in the description as well, but this has been my go-to for I think over 10 years now, which is crazy, but today we're trying this instead. In fact, I should take this blazer off. Right, sorry about that. we're changed. So they say to gently massage this over dry face, lips and eyes. So I'm going to do that on half my face. As you can tell, I am wearing quite heavy eye makeup today, so part of me is wondering whether it might be better on a cotton pad, so let me try it without first. On kind of first impression of this, I can definitely tell this is not a milk. This is not milk. This is not a milk texture. This is like a lotion, creamy. If you've ever tried the Clinique rinse off foaming cleanser, it almost feels like that, but I don't think it's supposed to be foamy. But it's really, it feels much more like a moisturiser than like a milk. To me, a cleansing milk should be liquid. And this is not. Oh, it does feel very like gentle, nourishing. So it's doing quite a good job of breaking down my skin makeup. Let's try some eyes, shall we? Now this is suitable for sensitive eyes, it says. It is ophthalmologist tested, so like eye expert tested. So I feel fairly confident in trying it out around my eye area. However, I will say it is really struggling with the mascara. The mascara just is not budging. I can feel it. I'm sort of trying to work it in, but it's definitely taking a lot of extra work. Oh, it might be coming away. Brilliant. I cannot believe I'm putting myself looking like this on the internet. I am actually pleasantly surprised by that. They say to just rinse it off, so I'm just going to do that on this side of my face first. Okay, so you can definitely see some like eye makeup residue still around the eye area. That is quite tricky to get off. I'm going to use this, which is a Clinique muslin cloth. I don't know if they still sell these, but basically I know it's supposed to be white, but I accidentally washed it with my darks, so it no longer looks white, but it is clean, I promise. So if I rub over the area just gently with a muslin cloth, yeah, that does a lot better job than trying to like rinse off with hands. Okay, in that case, I actually feel like it's done a pretty good job. Yeah, okay. Lovely new spot poking through. So now I'm going to try it on a cotton pad just to see if that removes the eye makeup any easier. Right, over the eyes we go. Okay, so I'm having to rub quite hard to get it off the eye. That might be more of a reflection on my mascara than anything else. It's the MAC Stack mascara, which is very good and very long wearing. Worth taking note of if you are someone who uses particularly like heavy duty mascaras. I'm having to really give it a good rub. Okay. I mean, it's not quite off, is it? I actually feel like it might have been better when I was just sort of working the product in with my fingers. Hang on. Okay, so on this side the product has been rinsed off, and on this side the product is still there. It definitely feels very moisturising. There's absolutely no dryness to my skin whatsoever, which is great. The bottle also says that you can tissue it off, but with this side there's not really anything to tissue off, it's just kind of a residue. So I'm going to rinse it as well with the muslin cloth again, because that worked well last time. Okay, now that I've gone over the eye area with the muslin cloth, the rest of the mascara came away a lot easier. So it obviously was loosening it. It might even be the lash glue, to be honest, but this is how my skin looks after using this. I definitely think it is more hydrating than the Take the Day Off balm, but it is a little bit harder work. Like, you definitely have to kind of massage it in a lot more thoroughly than with the balm, because the balm melts into an oil as it warms up, which just like makes your makeup melt off your face, whereas with this one you do really have to kind of work the product in. But I definitely prefer the way my skin feels, which is really interesting. Personally, I still feel like I would need to cleanse. I'm not going to go straight in with an exfoliator, just because I don't believe any product like this can honestly get all the makeup off your face. In fact, let's do a test. Fun game. So I've got some more of the product on a cotton pad. What I'm going to do is wipe it over my face to see if anything comes off on the cotton pad, because that will tell us how thoroughly it's removed my makeup. Yeah, there is still some makeup there. So while it has done a very good job of removing it, my skin feels really nice and comfortable, but you can definitely see that there is some makeup still left on that. and therefore I think the double cleanse is really important. And I would say that of any product, I don't think that's a downfall of this product at all. There is not one product in the world that I would trust to take my makeup off and clean my face at the same time. They're just two different steps, but Clinique have kind of marketed it that way. Clinique promote this product saying that it's a dual usage micellar milk cleanser and removes makeup in one easy step. And I do believe that it's good at doing both of those things in a really soft and gentle way. However, in my personal opinion, I don't believe that any one step can be an adequate makeup remover and cleanser. I think that with any makeup remover, you will inevitably still have some residue on your skin. And so I am far more inclined to use this as either a makeup remover or a cleanser, or as a double cleanse. So it does both, but by applying it twice and going through the process twice. I just think that's the only way that you're going to get a thorough cleanse, and that's not a reflection on this product. I would think it of any product. I just don't believe any product can do both of those jobs in one go. It has a really luxurious creamy texture, which I love. As I said, remember that if you have the pink cap bottle, or if you have a more oily skin and need the pink cap bottle, the texture will be different for you. As for the fact that you can tissue it off or rinse it off, as you saw, I think in my opinion I would rather rinse it off. I think there are great benefits to being able to tissue a product off in accessibility if you're traveling, if you don't have access to a bathroom. So it's good to have that option, but generally speaking I think I would always rather rinse it off. Rinsing it off is ultimately going to be faster. You're not going to get little bits of tissue stuck to your face. So for me personally, I'll be rinsing it off most of the time. I think with a little bit of perseverance, it does a really good job of removing my eye makeup. I wear fairly heavy eye makeup most days, and so I kind of always expect to not be that impressed by things like this, just because it's a gentle cleanser. It's designed to be moisturizing and not necessarily to be that heavy duty. I will say though that I do agree with the reviews that this bottle needs some serious reconsideration. You just have absolutely no control over how much product is coming out of the bottle. I think it's slightly better if you store it upside down actually, so that it's all kind of collected near here. On the whole, I really like this product. I think it's really nice and hydrating. Even though the Take the Day Off cleansing balm is quite moisturizing, it isn't a patch on this in terms of how hydrated and comfortable it leaves your skin feeling. This one is much better for that. As with all Clinique products, this one is allergy tested and fragrance free. So I feel like if you have particularly sensitive skin, you can feel fairly safe with this one. Obviously, everybody's skin is different and nothing is ever 100% guaranteed. So basically, in conclusion, I really like this product and I'm excited to continue using it. I think it's great that it has that dual purpose. If you're going away or something, you don't have to take a separate makeup remover and cleanser, so it saves space. As I said at the beginning of the video, if you found it useful at all, please do give it a thumbs up to let me know, and subscribe to my channel to see lots more beauty videos, including more review videos like this one. If you have any experience with this product or with the pink lidded one, as I said at the beginning, I'd really appreciate it if you could pop your thoughts in the comments if you don't mind. I'm sure it will really help other people out who are looking into the product. Thank you for watching guys. I will see you in the next one.